Bonsai, the art of growing miniature trees, is a captivating practice that combines nature with creativity. Whether you're a novice or an experienced gardener, understanding the different species of bonsai is essential for success. Today, we'll explore various types of bonsai that are ideal for cultivation in the United States, focusing on their unique characteristics and care requirements. Ficus retusa. Ficus bonsai is an excellent choice for indoor cultivation in the U.S., thriving in bright light and mild temperatures. This species is native to Southeast Asia and is particularly beginner-friendly due to its resilience. It requires bright, indirect sunlight and moderate humidity, with watering needed when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ficus prefers temperatures above 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, and should be kept away from cold drafts. It has a moderate growth rate, taking several years to achieve a desired shape. However, it can be sensitive to overwatering, leading to leaf drop if its environment changes suddenly. Juniperus. Juniper is well suited for outdoor cultivation in various regions of the U.S., particularly those with seasonal variations. Native to many areas across the Northern Hemisphere, this species is favored by both beginners and experienced bonsai enthusiasts. Junipers thrive in full sunlight and need well-drained soil, requiring watering when the soil is slightly dry. They prefer cool temperatures and can tolerate cold weather, although protection from extreme frost is necessary. This fast-growing species can quickly establish itself under the right conditions, but it does require regular pruning and shaping to maintain its bonsai form. Japanese maple, Acer palmatum. Japanese maple bonsai flourishes outdoors in temperate climates, requiring morning sun and afternoon shade. Originating from Japan and Korea, this species is suitable for beginners, though it needs careful monitoring of light and temperature. Japanese maples thrive in moist, well-drained soil and benefit from regular watering, especially during hot weather. They can withstand mild cold but should be protected from extreme heat and frost. With a moderate growth rate, they can take years to mature fully, and while they are susceptible to pests like aphids, proper care can minimize these issues. Pinus. Pine bonsai is perfect for outdoor cultivation, especially in temperate regions of the U.S. native to various regions. It's hardy and can adapt to a wide range of conditions. Pines prefer full sunlight and well-draining soil, and they require watering when the topsoil dries out. They thrive in temperatures ranging from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, but can tolerate colder weather. Pines have a slow to moderate growth rate and require regular pruning to maintain their shape. They can be challenging for beginners due to their specific watering needs and sensitivity to humidity. Red maple, Acer rubrum. The red maple bonsai is well suited for outdoor growth, known for its vibrant fall colors. This native U.S. species thrives in well-draining soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. Red maples should be watered regularly, especially during dry spells, and they enjoy moderate humidity. They can grow in temperatures from 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and are relatively easy to care for, making them a good choice for beginners. The growth rate is moderate and they require regular pruning to maintain their desired shape. Sweet Plum, Sageretia, theezans. Sweet Plum bonsai is ideal for indoor cultivation in the U.S., bringing beauty with its small leaves and attractive bark. This species is native to China and thrives in bright light and warm conditions. It requires regular watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Sweet Plum prefers temperatures above 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Celsius, and should be kept away from drafts. It has a moderate growth rate, often taking a few years to develop its shape. This species can be susceptible to pests, so regular inspection is necessary. Boxwood, Buxus. Boxwood bonsai can be grown both indoors and outdoors in the U.S. It is native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, and is prized for its dense foliage and ease of shaping. Boxwoods prefer well-draining soil and should be watered when the soil begins to dry out. They thrive in temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. and are relatively hardy, making them a good choice for beginners. Their growth rate is slow, and they require regular pruning to maintain their desired form. Boxwoods can be sensitive to extreme temperatures, so proper placement is important. In conclusion, selecting the right bonsai species can significantly enhance your gardening experience. By understanding the needs of each type, from the resilient pine to the vibrant red maple, you can cultivate a thriving bonsai that not only beautifies your space, but also enriches your life. Dive into this fascinating world of bonsai and discover the joy it brings.